The dream of a developed India is taking shape with Japanese collaboration. India's first high-speed rail that will connect Mumbai to Ahmadabad. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's dream project commences today. This project will be built and operated by National High Speed Rail Corporation Limited. The first step of the project would be construction of a training institute in Vadodara, where more than 4,000 officials will be trained on the new technology. Then across rivers, roads and rail lines, bridges would be constructed. This project will provide employment to over 20,000 people. Oceans, mountains, cities. This rail track will cross all hurdles and surge ahead, boosting development and economic activity for more than 50 million citizens. Built with Japanese technology, this rail will be incomparable. This high-speed train will boost the nation's development and help build a new progressive India. The historic Sabarmati station, which is the starting point of this project, will be renovated. This train that runs at 320 kilometers per hour will be tested according to international norms. The travel time between Mumbai terminal and Ahmedabad will reduce from 8 hours to just 2 hours. 150 million passengers will benefit yearly, and India will join the elite list of nations successfully using high-speed rail. Thereby, this glorious journey from promise to prosperity will be completed.